Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix checkout on Shopify. Let's get started. So let's head over to our online store first and let's see what it looks like. Now from in there, if you try to check out the product of your specific online store, like for example, let's buy this product, you should be able to see this error right here. If you have this error, then this video is for you. In order to fix this, let's head over to our admin page in our Shopify. Then from in there, let's click on settings right here. Now under the settings, you should be able to see this plan right here. Now this plan, you need to click on this choose plan and then over here, just choose the basic Shopify advanced. It totally depends on what you like, but all of this will allow you to actually ship your orders. So just select the one that you want. For example, you can select basic right here and then try to pick your plan. Now once you have picked your plan, you should be able to ship orders. Now, if we want to edit our checkout page, we can also head over to our payments right here. And then under the payments, you can actually set up your payment providers. So on default, they have here supported payment methods for PayPal. You can click on this right here in order to complete your setup. You just need to log in your specific pay platform in there in order to actually complete the setup from in here. So let's head back because you can also add another payment provider. So you can click on this choose provider right here. And then once you have clicked on that, you can actually choose integration Music Pay, Ocean Payment, Pioneer, and all of these things right here that you can choose from. So for example, you can click on this Pioneer Checkout Native Cards. So from in there, you should be able to see this. Now just click on install right here in order to install the specific provider. Now let's head back again. And then from in here, we can see this for testing bogus gateway. So let's try to click on that. And then from in here, you can click on activate right here. So doing this will actually make you a bogus gateway activated. And this will actually show you some orders that have been processed in this specific thing. So this bogus gateway is meant for testing because Shopify will not charge you transaction fees of order failed with this gateway. So this can actually be able to help you in order to test if your account actually can provide you some options or you can actually get you some orders right here. So in here, you can also see the checkout. And then under the checkout right here, you can select the customer contact method, customer information that you want to get, their shipping address, some marketing promotions, as well as tipping, address collection preferences, order processing, order status page, and also additional scripts right here. You can also manage the checkout language in here, as well as the checkout rules. Now, once you're done with everything, just click on save. Now, let's head back again, and in here, you should be able to see the shipping and delivery. Under the shipping and delivery, you should be able to set it up, because if this isn't set up, you shouldn't be able to process the order of the person that you actually have paying for your website. So for example, in here, you can set up the expected delivery days as well as the shipping fee rate right here, as well as local delivery, local pickup, delivery customizations, and save packages rates. You can also enable third-party calculated rates at checkout. You can integrate FedEx, everything, but you first need to upgrade your plan in order to fulfill this. So once you're done with everything right here, you should be able to see some improvement on your actual Shopify page website. So that's the whole process. If you have found this helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.